Wow.
What an extremely dangerous job.
Man, that's dangerous right there by the power lines, too.
Oh, yes. Look at how much the helicopter goes back and forth. Watch sometimes. That thing gets swung all over the place, trying to keep control of the helicopter.
Wow.
Yeah.
Huh.
Some people video this stuff because that's when you get a footage. You know, something catastrophic happens, and
Oh, yeah.
that's why people video it. Actually, people will video for that purpose in case something dramatic happens, because now that actually is worth the money.